The most important supplementary practice for expediting the process of manifestation is enhancing the power of focus through meditation. In fact, your mind has got unimaginable powers to create miracles in your life by manifestation of your dreams and desires. But these powers can be activated only through the power of focus. The greater the focus, the greater the manifestation. Without sufficient focus, all your efforts and all your techniques will go down the drain. But if your focus becomes total on something, that thing is bound to appear in reality. That by focus, you can expedite the manifestation by many times more. I can guarantee you that you will be able to manifest dreams and desires of your life with electrifying speed. You will be surprised to know that all the achievements of my life, which you treat as achievements, are the byproduct of my power of focus. When Andrew Carnegie was asked about the greatest factor that was responsible for his great riches, what he said is certainly eye-opening. He told that it was only his power of focus that made him the richest man of his times. He explained that he had achieved the capacity of focusing his attention on something at a stretch for 5 minutes. And he said this was the key to all the great achievements in his life. Now see what is your status with regard to focus. How long can you focus on something at a stretch? A great majority of people start getting distracted just within 5 seconds of their focus. It is very difficult for an ordinary individual to focus attention on something for more than 5 to 10 seconds. And I want to tell you that focus plays a vital role in the process of manifestation. The science of conscious manifestation says you get what you think about or focus upon, whether you want it or you don't want it. Your focus determines your manifestation. So the most fundamental requirement is to be able to focus. Enhancement of focus is the master key to manifestation. Never forget, it is only your focus that determines your achievements and your whole life. But now the $1 million question is how to ensure the power of focus in life. Always remember that the default mode of your mind is to get lost in thoughts and daydreaming. Hence your mind starts wandering and continues doing so throughout the day. Therefore, your focus becomes impossible. Now it is very important to train the mind for focus. And I want to tell you that the most powerful device, rather the only powerful device for training the mind is meditation. And this is the only device which can offer you mastery over your mind so that you can be able to use it when it is required and to put it aside when it is not required.